Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. This is going to be my Sunday morning beach report for North Naples, Florida. I'm actually up at the north end of Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park in Area 5, just a little bit south of Wiggins Pass. I wanted to give you a look at what's going on up here at Delnor-Wiggins. Beautiful out here. Partly cloudy skies, 73 degrees. The water's nice and calm. The water's looking really good. Water temperature's about 75. Today's high is going to get up to, somewhere around 87, 88. Saw some absolutely gorgeous colors earlier this morning here. I'll share some of those with you in a minute. Had a nice little walk up to Wiggins Pass and around Wiggins Pass. Check for that video. A quick shout out to our friends at Boat Naples, boatnaples.com. Check out their website. Before making your reservation online, give them a call. Let them know that Rob from Southwest Florida Television told you to call, and they'll take care of you. Don't forget about our Thursday evening sunset cruises. That's something special they're doing for me and my Southwest Florida Television beach family. You have to call or text that number on your screen to get on board with us, though. Complimentary beer and wine, $40 a person. And of course, who can forget our Slancha Irish whiskey sunset toast. It's always a fun time. boatnaples.com. I really want to give you a look here at Area 5 because this is, in my opinion, this is the section of the park that got hit the hardest. Look, there's nothing left here. Nothing. No structures, no boardwalks. A lot of the vegetation gone. Look at this big open expanse here. This is where the parking lot was back in here. Nothing left. Nothing. People are wondering why it's taken so long to rebuild. There's a lot of work to do here. A lot of work. Be patient though. It's going to be beautiful. Beautiful. It's going to be a new park. We still have a gorgeous mile-long beach to take advantage of. Very peaceful. Only parking lots 1 and 2 are open here in the park. They do fill up. They do fill up. When that happens, they close the front gate. And as soon as some spots open up, they'll open the gate. They don't close the park to pedestrians and cyclists, bicycles. And of course, you can have somebody drop you off. Parking lots 1 and 2 do fill up quickly. There's a lot of erosion up here just a little further north. I'll show you that. I'm in between the live feeds of my beach walk right now. I got a feeling my next beach walk is going to be really short, using up a lot of battery. Recording some extra stuff this morning, taking advantage of the opportunity of being here. Hey, if you're liking what you're seeing, if you appreciate my efforts, my videos, my photos, send some stars. If you're watching on Facebook, I get a penny for each star that you send. When you're walking up here at the north end, be careful. There's some remnants of some of the old trees that used to be out here by the water sticking up, some stubs. It can really hurt your little tootsies if you're not careful. Check out these colors from earlier this morning. This was down by Area 1, Area 2. Really wasn't paying attention to where I was. I was like a little kid in a candy store. I love these early morning colors. This morning was a real treat. Wasn't expecting it. I knew it was going to be cloudy. Didn't know what was going to happen. Thought it was going to be real cloudy, but it paid off to come to Delnor-Wiggins. Hit that share button. Look at that, just glorious. The evolution of sunrise in North Naples. I love it. All right, continue my walk up towards Wiggins Pass here. Again, you can see Wiggins Pass. I have another video of that I'm going to share today. I don't know if it's going to be before or after this one. Probably be afterwards. You can see Wiggins Pass in that. Nice little stroll with a little background music, no talking. So there's some more. Those old tree roots and things, just be careful. Stepping on a lot of broken shells here. There have been some people having good luck with the shelling. But here's where we've seen a lot of that erosion. This is where it starts up here. Nice little ledge there. Pretty good sized ledge. And again, look at Area 5. Look how desolate that is. I have no idea what the schedule is for rebuilding here. People keep asking. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. They're keeping it a guarded secret. Maybe Terrence will share a little info with me. Just something, some little tidbits to share with my beach family. That would be awesome. As far as a timeline, I'm not in any rush. I'm happy to have a beach here. Think positive. Think positive. It's a new beginning. But look at all the sand that got washed away here. That's pretty high right there. That little ledge, that drop off. I don't know when that happened. It wasn't like that the last time we were here. A week or two ago. You see that rope line, that rope fence? Obviously you're not going to climb up there and go in there anyway, but stay on this side of it. That's where our dunes used to be. They're trying to give them a chance to grow back. And please, 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 pay your dues, pay your fees, your parking fees, your entrance fees when you come here. I've been hearing people have not been paying their fees. Shame on you. People are like, well, the park's doesn't have bathrooms. I'm not going to pay. It's like, hey, if you don't pay, we can't build new bathrooms. Pay. There is no bathrooms here, just porta-johns. There's nothing here. Nothing. No grills or anything. You can't bring your grills into the park. Bring your own umbrella, chairs, food, water. No showers either. You can walk the entire beach here at the park. You just can't go into the park beyond parking lot 2. You got to stay out of there. Look at that. This is up where the bathhouse used to be in the pavilion. All gone. A little breeze out here. I know it's sad. It's sad, but it's Mother Nature did her thing. You knew it was going to happen someday. We were actually very lucky that it wasn't worse. They got it a lot worse up to the north of us. Hurricane Ian. Another look all the way around here. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hit that share button. I know there's a lot of people that would like to see this. A lot of people curious about what's going on here. Just a little update. I do what I can when I can. It's a bit of a hike up here for me. Again, if you appreciate this video, send some stars if you're watching on Facebook. I get a penny for each star that you send. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally ho, my friends, tally ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. May God bless you, your family, and God bless America. Tally ho, tally ho.